Hi, my name is Anil Nair, and I'm an aerospace engineering student here at UCLA. And I'm going to help you by going over some math concepts and examples. Good luck.
So we're going to do the sandwich theorem and some tables. So the sandwich theorem is pretty intuitive. If we have a function g of x that is less than h of x and greater than or equal to f of x, forgot to include the equal to before. For all x, if on an interval containing c, and this doesn't need to hold necessarily at c. And we know this, the limit as x approaches c of f of x equals the limit as x approaches c of h of x. Both of these equal some value L. Then the limit as x approaches c of g of x will have to equal L. And this makes sense intuitively. We have the x and y axes here. If we have a function h of x, h of x, let's say this is c right here. And we have a function f of x. And as we approach c with h of x and f of x, we reach this value L. And we know g of x is between these two functions. It's less than h of x and greater than f of x. Then we know that it has to go through that point as well. So, pretty intuitive. That's all there really is to it. This also applies at infinity. If we know that, let's say this is L. Let's say we know that h approaches L as it goes to infinity, and f does as well. Then g of x, they all approach infinity, but they reach the value L. Then we know that g must also approach L as we go to infinity. And there's one more thing I wanted to cover. There's some important trig limits that you need to memorize. And there's just two. First one is the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x equals 1, and the limit as x approaches 0, 1 minus cosine x over x equals 0. All this is saying is, you can kind of see this graphically, sine x looks like this. We look at sine x and we look at the graph of just x. We can see that as we get closer and closer to 0, the values kind of get more and more similar. And for this one, 1 minus cosine x would be cosine x, but negative shifted up, which is just it's like this. All this is saying is as you get closer and closer to 0, the ratio between these two gets smaller and smaller. That's pretty much it.